Hello, my name is Narsingh Kumar. I am from Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I have completed the 15 days of LMS OJT from Evision TechnoServe, and it was very valuable experience and covered important topic like networking, window administrator, Linux, and more. And each modules are simple and tactical way, making it easy even for and understand even for a beginners. And trainers was very knowledgeable and explain every topics in real time examples, and it felt like a perfect combination between the theory and the uh, practical exposure. And I have joined the private limited company, the package of 240 LPA, and these all are possible because of Evision TechnoServe. So thank you, Evision, and all my trainers and the placement team. Thank you.